Alright, watch this. This is a story that ran, and this one is run in Canada. So I'm scrolling through and I read some headline that said Canada would gladly take Omar McLeod from homophobic Jamaica. Homophobic Jamaica. So welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. Is your host with the most. Watch this. A story run is safe. For one thing, me here to say, me here to one time outside entities try to make Jamaica seem like it's one of the worst places on earth for any freaking reason at all. Oftentimes, I'm telling you, the whole Usain Bolt thing is a big ass distraction that's taken away from a lot of other bullshit that's going on. Like for instance, Locte and the rest of them swimming guys from America that went over to Brazil and frig up the people and vandalize the people in place, and police or security guard approached them with a weapon drawn because they were acting belligerent and stupid and mashing up the people in place, and demanded that they paid for the people and things. You don't hear nobody talking about that anymore in the media. Everybody is stuck on Usain Bolt. Me not hear no Jamaican address this anyways either, except for Usain Bolt. So the big old Usain Bolt story I tear up the place. Anyway, this is how they are portraying Jamaica. This story is about Omar McLeod. Now, Omar McLeod is the gold medalist hurdler that brought Jamaica its first gold medal in the hurdles, 110-meter hurdles at the Olympics. Okay? The man created history. He's a young dude doing this thing, very dominant in the track and field world. Are they using like a few people to judge the whole Jamaica? Anyway, let me read the article to you first. I don't know about you, but if I just created history for my country on a world stage and my fellow citizens reacted by calling me derogatory names that could potentially put my life in danger, I would think about moving to another country where people see people for the human beings they are and nothing less. Alright. Sadly, Jamaican athlete Omar McLeod was not so lucky. Even after capturing his country's first gold medal in the men's 110-meter hurdles at the 2016 Olympic Games in Rio de Janeiro, currently taking place, which had gone already in Brazil, celebrating the historic win on Tuesday, Jamaica Gleaner brand manager Terry Carell Reid tweeted, "If you could caption tomorrow at Jamaica Gleaner front page of Omar McLeod, what would it read? Rio Gold Rush, hashtag JA in Rio." One response left many familiar with the Jamaican vernacular in shock. It read goldfish. A response, it read goldfish, and was tweeted from manufacturer Lasco's account. Manufacturer Lasco's account. What's the problem? In Jamaica, the term fish is among the words used to belittle gay men. You know them come on SouFLoTV already. Them say, hey boy, bleach a boy, you're fishing on them sitting there. So there is no secret. I'm call man that love other man and love body and them thing that I'm call them man that fish. Alright? Alright. So, they must say, what is the big deal? The big deal is that that's what the word fish means in Jamaica. It read goldfish. Now, she did not tweet goldfish. She said, caption what tomorrow's newspaper might say in Jamaica Gleaner. A response to that tweet, hashtag Rio Gold Rush, somebody retweeted or somebody responded to the tweet by saying goldfish. The person that retweeted or the account is said to be some prominent individual from Lasco. Okay? They have said also that since then that person has been terminated and all these. While the company apologized and explained that an employee hacked into the account and has since been terminated, a move that paved the way for more tolerance, many Jamaicans on social media used the opportunity to let the world know that a gay athlete would not be welcomed in their country. So this is how Canada is portraying Jamaica right now. Many more Jamaicans, them are going like say Jamaica have 10 people in it, and friggin' one tweet out something and then 9 more followed. That's not how the shit work. But okay, they would have you believe that, just like how they would have you believe that nowhere in their country is fucked up. Everything is all good and everybody else's country have issues. Anyway, watch this. Them are said that a gay athlete would not be Jamaicans tweeted out. A gay athlete would not be welcome in their country, even if the athlete is an outstanding Jamaican that is flying the flag, like Omar McLeod, the gold medalist, right? In the comment section of an online news article, the reactions reminded us how many Jamaicans feel about the LGBTQ community. That word that just get longer and longer. Remember when it was LGBT, now LGBTQ. I want to be next. LGBTQRSTUVXY and Z Bumbo. Anyway, one said, free speech. She said what she saw. He behaved effeminate when he won. Him no look straight. Alright, so I don't know if y'all don't remember, but when Omar McLeod, go back somewhere on YouTube and type in Omar McLeod winning the 110-meter hurdles. Omar McLeod, when he won, him jump up and do something like this. I guess that is not masculine, and I want my audience to write down this and tell me if that was masculine. Anyway, that's one person said a free speech. You know, the person that tweeted that out, them say what them sick, and them say, well, the way him did that act, he look kind of fishy. Him never act masculine. Okay, alright. I guess you're not entitled to your opinion anymore as well. And if one Jamaican make a bad opinion be known publicly, then I guess all Jamaicans share the same opinion, to show you how narrow-minded these fuckers are. Anyways, if the employee wants to use her own account and call the young man Batman, that's her business, our next person tweeted. You notice how them put the angle 4, they only have 4 of the comments, but okay, the third one. I didn't even cheer after the race because of his reaction to the win. A fish is a fish, in the water or out. Okay, American box Batman, and that's why they light up the place with the Batagay colors the other night. Anyway, alright, so those were comments, right? Interestingly enough, the reference to the colored lights being lit up is about the US Embassy in Jamaica marking a significant event in the country's history, Gay Pride Week. No, that's not what it was about. When the embassy raised the flag, you see how these people are misleading? When the embassy raised the flag, it was about that shooting where how many people dead off in Orlando at the gay club in Orlando, and the U.S. Embassy, if you don't know, a U.S. Embassy on anybody's soil is still considered American soil. So what happened is they raised the flag to show solidarity with the LGBT community, but Jamaicans, as in Jamaicans on a political level, the hierarchy said, people in high places were saying that we find this disrespectful because Jamaica still has boogering laws in place, and although, so now we can argue that on both ends, me not say yay or nay, but they were saying that be respectful of the country, okay, and their laws that are in place. Whether the laws they have in place are wrong in your opinion or not, they have those laws in place. So don't come raise up a flag upon them land like say you own the whole friggin' country. You have an embassy there, okay? I mean, enough Jamaicans were talking about, Lord God, they might start take a visa or start denying visas because we say something about it. So allow them to fly their flag and we secretly don't like it. And these kinds of things. Anyway, that's what that was about. Alright? Trust me. I know how crazy that sounds. Here's this person who wrote this article, personal investment. Trust me, I know how crazy that sounds, but it doesn't surprise me one bit. I lived in Jamaica for 5 years and saw enough for me to make the decision to stay deep inside of the closet while attending university. The sad thing is that Jamaica has a large LGBTQ population with many closeted gays from every walks of life, yet Jamaicans choose to bash every man that has feminine tendencies and women with masculine tendencies. This type of attitude can be seen across the Caribbean, which oftentimes lead to both suspected and openly gay members of the community being harassed and discriminated against. Why don't we just accept people for who they are? And it is time for Jamaica and other Caribbean islands to recognize that homophobia does more harm than good. We are all human beings and our sexual orientation should not take away from our achievements on or off a track. Alright, so let me just say this. Me don't give a damn, and I've said this already. Enough people come on SouFLoTV and watch after this video is posted. Go down there and read the comments in the comment section and see. Those people are all over, and at them people that I keep saying, they make Jamaicans look a certain way because they don't understand that we're being judged on a worldwide scale. Listen, if people gay, leave them the fuck alone. There are more things going on in our society that we need to be more concerned about other than who is laying in whose bed and who is having sex with who. There are more things that are more pressing, more issues that need to be addressed. Okay? Me no care who wanna fish up themselves, as though them call it. I don't care who wanna be bi, gay, in between, pan the fence, pan the border. And I like Shabada said, me no care about none of that. That will not stop me from being who I need to be and doing what I need to do in order to accomplish my goals. And it should be the same for everybody else as well. Stop being preoccupied with other people's personal life. Stop being preoccupied with other people's sexual life. Now, a person like Omar McLeod, when Omar McLeod goes out and wins a gold medal and creates history for his country, should it matter that he is gay? Has this guy ever came out and told anybody that he was gay? Have you ever seen him hug up and kiss up with a man? So why is it now a prominent issue? Why is it front page news? People accusing the youth of being gay. I feel in business, some guys actually, and I've seen it from growing up days till now, some guys actually do. You have your alpha males and then you have guys that have effeminate ways about them, but them still not gay. You understand? So I'm not trying to explain away his gayness if he is gay. If he is gay, that is his business. I'm just saying, in reality, there are guys that are actually a bit effeminate, but they're not gay. Now, on this guy winning the gold medal in the 100-meter hurdles and all these things, did y'all know, for the Jamaicans them that love to talk about, don't fish up my place, else me I go scale it, and bun bottom man or fling the fish them back out to sea, and all these things, and gunshot in a bottom boy head and all these things. For all these people that like to come on and talk all these fuckery, listen to me. This kid didn't have to run for Jamaica and represent Jamaica. If y'all don't know it, a lot of these top athletes that are running and representing other countries, they're actually living a good life in these other countries, meaning them finances straight, them live above the poverty line, and they're able to provide for and take care of their families, even their families back in Jamaica. So, Omar McLeod now. Omar McLeod has actually, see it here, he actually runs for Arkansas, University of Arkansas. He just turned pro in 2015 and got mash up the Olympics in 2016. Okay? Omar runs for the University of Arkansas, which tells me that he goes to school, he goes to university on a track scholarship. It tells me that he didn't have to represent Jamaica in the Olympics. He could have turned pro and ran and represented the United States of America. And they would have paid him way more than Jamaica would have paid him to run. But the youth is a proud youth, proud Jamaican like so many more Jamaicans are. And even if he is gay and he is being bashed at home, I'm wanting to forget rid of that thing because I've said it already and I'll say it again. The last time I was down in Jamaica, I say one bag of Batman out the door and nobody was bothering them. So this whole notion of them have to run and hide and take with themselves or them get killed. You even have bad man at Jamaica where a Batman. You hear me I tell you? Because I've seen this documentary where they speak up and them I tell you say, yo, one youth say upon my ends, every pussy around there so I have to respect me because them know say what? But carry it upon me and me boss it. Okay? But a man me like. So I keep girls up front but a man round the back. You understand what I'm saying? And so they are out there and we can close our eyes to it and go on like it now happen all we want to, or we can take our mind back to the days when back in the dance hall where them used to say, if every man in there will know so him straight, push up him hand so. They still do it. Any boy will never suck a pussy yet, push up him hand so. And everybody in that dance push up them hands so. And you know say enough pussy sucker, enough body sucker in the dance, and you know say enough blood clot, Batman and gay, homosexual females in the dance. But the climate that was created, you can imagine if you're inside a party and the DJ, prominent DJ on stage say, any boy no raise up him answer right now a Batman. All the Batman then put up their hands so. And Jana Sinclair said, there was an immediate outcry denouncing the actions of Lasco, of the Lasco employee. That's the only person you found out about the incident. That's the only way that you guys found out about the incident. Most individuals defended Omar and stated that it is neither here nor there if he is a homosexual or not. Most people, including myself, said that the employee was out of order to produce such a horrible tweet. Stop trying to paint Jamaica as this homophobic place where gays are in danger. That is simply not true. You say you have lived in Jamaica for 5 years, then speak the truth. Tell everyone of the homosexuals that openly go about their daily lives, both prominent individuals and otherwise. See ya? Yo, Jana Sinclair, you are talk up the truth. Tell everyone of the homosexuals in Jamaica that openly go about their business daily, both the prominent ones and otherwise. We even openly see men dressing as women, and guess what? No one cares. Print the positive responses that were geared towards Omar. These responses far outweigh the negative. Furthermore, if you doubt how much Jamaica loves Omar, stay tuned to his homecoming celebration and have a I'm going to reiterate what I said before, and what I said before was people's sexuality should not bother you. Left it alone. Go and find something more meaningful and more urgent to press on about. Understand? Jamaica fucked up in more than 100 ways. I'm a place, we love it, but we have way bigger issues. Them are rape off the liquor, pick them and dash them with a bush, chop them up and mash them up. I think the issues like those are issues that we really need to be addressing. You understand what I say? It's SouFLoTV, man. Y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I say big up Omar McLeod. Alright? And big up and thanks for that gold medal, man. You make me look good in the eyes of the world. We just kicked down another door. History created again. Big up on yourself, man. SouFLoTV, I'm up out of here. Peace.